Okay, it is Wednesday evening. Over there with Miss Casey are Davy and Cooper. Davy's name is Davy Crockett. You have to say it like Davy Crockett, king of the wild frontier. Huh, Davy? They say that's my name. And his best friend Cooper. So those are Casey's friends for a couple days. Casey, are you digging? No, I'm not digging. You're a good girl. Look at Davy. Whoop. Oh, there goes Sam. Hey! 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 That isn't, That's enough. We're not making big noise. Yeah, right. Huh, Lucy Lou? And there's Jack.